Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing Gbpusd. So before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want monthly signals, you can hit us on our email. Then we'll send you all the details you need. Okay. So as you can see, we are on the daily time frame. We are on the daily time frame of Gbpusd. And currently we can see that the market is around this area here. It's about to hit this level here, in which it did hit back there. So let us analyze to see what's really going on. So you're going to move to the 4-hour time frame because there's not much going on the daily time frame. Okay, so let us zoom out a little bit. Okay, so by looking at this, I can see that from this point right over here, the market did break to the lower side and still pushing to this area right over here. So that tells me something. So but if I look clearly, I can see, sorry about that, from this point right over here, I can currently see some sort of movement happening like this. I can put it like this, but okay. So this is the current situation that we have. Let us use our lines. So okay, so this is what we have. We can currently see we have the setup right over here, which is like this. So let us change this one to a dotted line. Let us move back to the candlesticks. Okay, so as we can see, guys, if I zoom in a little bit more on this level right over here, I can see that the market respecting the strong lines right over here, and currently we could have a push to the lower side up until here before we bounce out to the upper side, or we could have a straight buy setup from this band right over here up until right over here. So let me remove this one. So let's keep on analyzing. Remember, guys, you're still on the 4-hour time frame. So let us cater for the upper side as well from the point over there. Second touch. So let's move use the lines once. So I'm trying by all means to keep my chart as clean as possible. So as you can see, this is the current situation we have on the 4-hour time frame. Now starting from this level over here, we can see that the market managed to push to the upper side and it failed due to the touch right over here and this line right over here, creating a double top right over here before pushing the lower side. So currently you can see that the market has been pushing to the lower side from this point right over here. It's giving us a situation like this, in which it is promising us that the market from this point right over here can push to this area right over here, if possible. So this is what we have on the 4-hour time frame. So let us move to, okay, wait, let us cater for the lower side from this point right over here. We can see this pattern right over here again. So as you can see, guys, we are currently inside this pattern right over here. So we are currently playing around this pattern. So this is clear pattern in pattern. So guys, the moment you see the moment you see a little bit of rejection right over here, not touching this area here, just bear in mind that there's a little bit of level right over here. So if I use this everything right over here, you can see if I point it right over here, you can see that this level here, it is respected as well as has been respected right over here and here. That's the reason why we did not have a push to the trend line, so to this trend line right over here. So bear in mind, that's how we see this kind of movement. let us move to the 1 hour time frame so we can really get our entry levels and everything. So we are going to go to the 1 hour time frame. So okay, so as you can see in this pattern, so starting from this area here, I can definitely see a beautiful push lower side as well. Okay, this is what you have. Let's move this one over here. So currently here I can see that the market failed. The trend line was broken around this area here and has been retested right over here again. So on this dotted line that we have right over here, let me change its color so you guys can see it into purple and make it a light. So as you can see, this is what you have. So there's a bit of rejection happening right over here again. So to be on the safer side, you're going to enter around this area right over here on the time frame, and this will be our stop loss. And let us go back to the 4 hour time frame so that we can adjust our take profits. Okay, so we are not going to target for this level right over here because it's going to take a little bit of a while before it reaches that level right over there. But we can safely say, let me delete those ones which are not important. These two are very important. So currently this is what we have, and this will be our first take profit right over here, second take profit right over here, and the third take profit right over here. Then you can lock some profits if we break out of this level here. Then you can target the overall take profit, which could be possibly here. So bear in mind, guys, the most important trick take profit is this first one right over here. So this is what we have on GBP USD. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And as I've said, if you want to watch our monthly signals, you can hit us up on our email. We don't take WhatsApp messages, only emails. And again, guys, yeah, I think that's it. So that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.